So we have Shushir. She asked her students about the size of the shoes they wear. She noted down the data on the board. So this is the data. Then she happened to arrange the shoe size of the students in ascending order. What is ascending order? Increasing order. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have questions like help her to figure out the following. So there are certain questions. First thing first, what do you guys feel about doing this? This is what? Yes, this is your raw data. Okay. And what about this? Is this a good idea? After doing it, yeah. But doing it itself, do you think it's a good idea? Okay, in this case, it might be good. But for larger data, say she had 100 students. Actually, this is not a good idea per se. Right? Not a good idea if for larger data. Not a good idea for larger data. For small ones, yeah. But what about the larger data? Hundreds of it. It would be tedious. What is the alternative? Whenever you tell something is not good, we need to give them the alternative. You tell something is not good because you know that there's something better out there, and that better is using tally. So tally would have been much faster than this. Okay, let's make a table and let's see. So we have shoe size and we have the count, number of students. So also known as it starts with F, R, E, yes, frequency, right? So it's also known as frequency. Okay. So we have a shoe size of 3. How many people are there? There are 3. We have a shoe size of 4 and we have 3, 6 and 9. We have shoe size of 5. We have 5, 3 plus 2, 10. We have shoe size of 6. Where do I write it though? Okay, 6 is 4 and 7 is 1. Okay, so yeah, I can still write it over here. 6 is 4 and 7 is 1. The largest shoe size in the classroom, which is it clearly? 5, right? So 5. The smallest shoe size in the class is 7. There is only one person with this size. There are dash students who wear shoe size of 5, 10. The dash students who wear shoe size larger than 10. Okay, this is something that I would again want you guys to pause and think over. So larger than 5 means what? Larger than 4 means what? Do all of these people that is in 4 included or not included? No, right? It is post 5. Post 4, sorry. So basically 10, 4 and 1, that is 15. Okay. So what helped me deal with this question faster? A table. Yeah, even this would have helped, but converting to a table makes it much convenient to deal with any kind of question. So think about graph, think about huge set of data. We can't have such counts, right? We can't have just things being in raw data. We can't have things being just in ascending or descending order. A table always helps. A tally made table is much faster. So in place of tally, if we have such an arrangement, that is also good. But yeah, making this list itself is tedious. It's difficult. Okay, again, this is not about the question, it's about the methodology. Please understand that there's certain ways that things has to be in for a certain reason, and those reason also has to be understood. Someday you might, one of you might, or any of you might find a lot of better ways of doing all of this. So learn the art of thinking, not just about this is the question and this is the answer. It's not that.